Messi real face exposed by ShSpot. After missing a penalty in Copa America Final, Messi realized that his fans will humiliate him. Just because of Messi, Argentina lost the final of Copa America. This penalty cost him a big trophy. Messi created a world best drama to hide his worst performance. After watching this, Leonardo was worried about his Oscar award. Messi created drama by crying like a baby to get sympathy of his fans. By announcing retirement. After getting sympathy from fans, he recalled his retirement. And then Messi exposed by ShSpot.